Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how you can sell your NFT items on eBay. NFT stands for non-fungible token, and it basically means that your item is unique, so only one person can own that said item, until they sell it to another person, who then becomes the owner. But what can be considered an NFT? Basically, anything can be seen or considered as an NFT. For example, it can be music, art, videos, 3D models, etc. So let's say you have a unique item that you created, and now you want to sell it. You can now sell that item on eBay, as a digital item, and yes, you are allowed to sell NFT as a digital item on eBay. There are a few limitations to what you can sell, and to whom you can sell it, so if you want to learn more about the policy surrounding NFTs on eBay, then you can check the digital item policy page for more information. If you also want more information about NFTs, and want to know more about it, there is this awesome in-depth video, explaining everything you need to know to start selling your NFT creations. By watching that video, you will see that there are a lot of NFT marketplaces. Some of them are open to all sellers, while some are invite-only and curated. If you want to know more about these marketplaces and how to sell your NFT on them, leave a comment down below, and write which marketplace you want to learn more about. But if you already sell items on eBay, and just want to quickly sell your creations there, then this is a great opportunity to reach a wide customer base and sell your awesome unique creations. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and subscribe for any future videos like this. Thanks for watching.